Hi guys, welcome. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on the belly butter that I saw online. I really wanted to try and I just wanted to see if it really worked. I added some of my own ingredients, so it's a little bit different, but I absolutely love it. Okay, so I stopped my voice here because the neighbor's dog was going insane, and I'm gonna try to say as much as I was saying here, but I use it as a makeup remover, a lip balm. I use it pretty much all over my body and it is completely safe. I even use it down there, if you know what I mean. I absolutely love this because it is very affordable. I have control of how much I put into it, and I just think that it's good for both my skin and my baby, and not to mention it's also taken away my strawberry legs. So you know those pesky pores that you get in the back of your legs, they're completely gone. And because my skin has been really dry during this pregnancy, this has been so amazing and I use it abundantly. I mean, I'm not worried about like, oh my god, am I using too much or anything. Like, I just lather it all over, but this stuff is amazing and I highly recommend it. Let me know how you like it or if you have any questions. Thank you. First, you will need a glass container, and I would recommend something that is shallow that your whole hand can fit in. You will need 1 cup of unrefined cocoa butter, 1 cup of organic sweet almond oil, 1 cup of extra virgin coconut oil, 1 cup of organic shea butter, you're gonna want to go ahead and put your stove on medium heat. So setting it here to medium. And then as it heats up, you want to start stirring everything together. And now you want to place it in the fridge. It's still a little bit warm. You just want to make sure that it is completely solidified. This is the result of the morning after, so it's really hard. I'm gonna break it up so then we can mix it together. I broke it up into smaller pieces and this should be good to go to start mixing. After a couple of minutes of mixing, you will have this super fluffy whipped cream kind of consistency, and that's when you know it's ready. Also, like in color, it'll be a lot white and brighter than it was. So when we first started, it was yellow and now it's turned into this, and there's like no clumps or anything. It's super smooth, so you're ready to transfer it over to your glass container. So this is the final product. This is ready to use. I went ahead and tied a bow. This would be an amazing gift for someone that is expecting, very thoughtful and handmade. You can buy this jar at IKEA. Go ahead and try this recipe and tell me what you think. I love it. I love that it's natural and that I could use it everywhere in my body.